Come on, do you want to see me? You don't want to see me. Here you go. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? What'll happen if you go to try to open the gate?
I don't want to let it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know I'll have a hell of a job by myself putting it back in like this.